pretty excited about testing out a new lure by Old Minnow Boy called the Rattle Rat. And my timing was way off. Lure was working good. The Wandering Youper was not working good. Dang it. Try it again. There he is. Nice. Looks like old Ratatouille does it. That's a pretty nice fish. Get over here. That's nice, smallie. Gotcha. Boy, what a chunk. Wow. The rat lure was working like crazy, but the Wandering Youper was screwing up left and right. I was throwing that thing out there and I was so jacked up because I found out Old Minnow Boy was from Michigan, and he even grew up in the Upper Peninsula, and that his business is based out of Michigan. So all exciting things, and I was really wanting to see that lure in action on some topwater smallmouth. So I decided to go ahead and show this because this particular smallmouth bass that I missed was the biggest smallmouth I've ever seen in the water. I was in a big hurry trying to get to a bay that the Fishing Maps guidebook said was exceptional lake for smallmouth bass, so I figured it'd be a good opportunity to test some topwater lure on it. As I'm hurrying along, I can just see it in the comments now, you gotta slow down. But anyway, I was in a hurry because I was running out of light, or filming light. What happened is I was coming over to this bay and I seen a giant smallmouth. So I whipped one back there, and sure enough, that was a big smallie too. Big smallie. As you can see, my timing was way off and I was screwing up left and right, but I'll be going back after that smallmouth. Don't kid yourself. Old Minnow Boy was nice enough to give me a discount code for you guys to use. Wandering 10 at checkout, and save another 10%. Every penny counts these days. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I will be going back and trying to get that big girl. Wish me luck, and if you could, take the time to hit that like button. Share it with as many people as you can, and if you like the great outdoors and you want to see more of it, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.